need food to survive, so we're gonna cook it. Cooking.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cooking, with me, your host. Today we'll be cooking a dish that will be popular with you health freaks, idiots. It's vegan. No animal bits in this one. So, However, it is important to note that it does contain mainly peanuts. If you are allergic to peanuts, do not eat it. If that is also the case, don't be a vegan. Eat a chicken. Give yourself a break. I've got a hat now. To make this dish, we're going to need a few things. These are them.
Kidney beans, tomatoes and peanut butter, onion, garlic and ginger and these sweet potatoes and sliced greens. I don't know what it is. Knife, pot for cooking and fire sauce.
Let's begin.
Put the onion in half and take off its skin. Then you can chop it. Get 3 cloves of garlic and chop it too. There's one.
Oh.
All nice and small. And the ginger as well as small. Here's 3 potatoes. Need to peel and chop them into chunks.
My arm hurts. Ow.
Dropped it. Just rinse it off. 5-second rule. Put your onions in the pan. You don't want to make them brown, but you do want them to go soft.
Me naked.
That should do it. Add garlic and ginger. Now tomatoes. Peanut butter. Sticky.
Oh.
Make some stock. Remember to use the vegetable cube because there's no meat in this one.
Oh.
In they go.
Oh no. Ow.
Leave to simmer for 15 minutes. Now you can add your pulses. Who needs meat when you can have a pulses? And the green things, but we still don't really know what vegetable it is, and mix it. Or poke it. Delicious. Last but not least, season it with chili powder to give it a kick.
We did it. Taste test time. Delicious.
We all need food to survive, so we're gonna cook it.
Needs chicken.